Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Epatya videos, and in today's session we'll be discussing about ranking test. So this particular topic, ranking test, it is an important topic in the banking question papers under logical reasoning section. This particular topic, it is helpful in all the competitive exams like CSAT paper in UPSC, SSC exams, and for all the banking exams. So this ranking test series, it involves an arrangement of position or ranks of an object or a person either from left to right or from top to bottom or from front to back. So attending these types of questions, it helps in boosting the reasoning ability and also the score in exams. And in every competitive exams, you nearly get 2 to 3 questions from this particular topic. So let's solve the question. So first we can solve a basic type of question so that you can understand the concept better. Sneha is 20 from left and 40 from right. So what is the total strength of the row? So a person called Sneha, when counted from left, she is 20, and when she is counted from right, she is 40th person. So what will be the total strength of this row? So she is 20 from the left and 40 from the right. Add this 20 and 40, you get 60. What do you think? 60 is the answer? No. Because while counting from left, also we count Sneha in the 20th position, and whereas from counting from the right, also we count her in the 40th position. So it means we are counting her 2 times. So subtract 1. 60 minus 1 is equals to 59. So the total strength of the row is 59. Let's solve one more question. In a school assembly, Nitin is 30 from front and 40 from back. What is the total strength of the class? So a boy called Nitin, when counted from front, he is in 30th position, and when counted from the back, he is in 40th position. So what will be the total strength now? So just add front and back position of Nitin. 30 plus 40 is equals to 70. You can observe here also we are counting Nitin for 2 times. We are counting him on the front as well as from the back. So subtract 1, which is equals to 69. So the total strength of the assembly or total strength of the class is 69. So here a tree is fifth from either ends. So it means that a tree is there, and when it is counted from left, it is in 5th position, and when it is counted from right, it is in 5th position. So now we have to say what is the total of this row. So you can observe the same thing is happening here also. The tree is being counted twice. So we have to subtract 1 here, and therefore there are totally 9 trees in that row. Sharan is 20-30 from left and right, and he is 40-50 from front and back. So here's a person called Sharan, and he is 20 from left and 30 from right, and when counted from front, he is in 40th position, and from back he is in 50th position. So now we have to calculate what is the total of horizontal row. So see the values of horizontal row: 20 from left and 30 from right. 20 plus 30, which is equals to 50. And Sharan is being counted twice. So subtract 1, and the total of horizontal row is 49 members. And the second sub question, what is the total of vertical row? So vertical row, Sharan is at 40th position when counted from front and at 50th position when counted from back. So total 90. So here once again Sharan is counted twice from front as well as from the back. So 90 minus 1 is equals to 89. So what is the total now? Just add horizontal and vertical rows. You will get the total strength 49 plus 89, which is equals to 138. But think what we calculated in the first two sub questions. In the first as well as in second sub question, we have included Sharan. So he is counted twice when we are counting total. So we have to subtract 1 so that we get an exact members, that is the total members. Ravi is 20, 30 from top and bottom who passed in the exam. So 10 members failed in the exam. Now we have to find the total strength of the class. So from top and bottom, Ravi is 20 and 30 in a list of past students. So 50 minus 1, which is equals to 49. Here what we have to find? The total strength of the class. So this is a past number of students and there are 10 failed students in the exam. So include that 10, total is 59. So the total strength of the class is 59 members. The similar question which we have solved previously, it can be asked in this way in order to confuse you guys. So let's solve it. Roja is 20 from top and bottom, that is she is 20 and 20 from both bottom and top when she is counted. Who passed in the exam? Okay, 20 students failed in the exam and 20 were absentees and 20 have gotten malpractice. Now you have to find what is the total strength of the class. So these are a list of past students list. 20 plus 20, which is 40 minus 1, that is equals to 39. So remember we are subtracting 1 because Roja is counted twice, from top as well as from bottom. So there are 20 failed students and there are absentees. So absentees are different from failed students. So we have to include even the absentees. And malpractice, you know, it is also different. So also include the malpractice. So the total of this gives you the total strength of the class. 39 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, which is equals to 99. It is the total strength of the class. Sony is 30 from left in a row of 60 students. So what is the rank from the right end? So you can see this is a different type of question which we have not solved yet, and this is the first example we are seeing regarding the ranks. Sony is 30 from the left in a row of 60 students. So totally there are 60 students, and when she is counted from left, she is in 30th position. And now we have to say what will be her rank when she is counted from right end. Total students subtracted by the position of Sony, which is equals to 30. So now we have to tell her position. So is 30 her position? No, it's not her position because here we are subtracting. That means we are excluding Sony and we are telling the total members in the right end. So including Sony, you have to add 1. And now this will be the position of Sony from when she is counted from right end. So Sony, when she is counted from right end, she will be in 31st position, 31st rank. Vishal and Sneha, who are 15 and 20 from left and right, respectively, they are sitting in a row with their 5 children in between them. So there are two guys, Vishal and Sneha. Vishal is 15th when he is counted from left, and Sneha is in 20th position when she is counted from right. And they are sitting in a row, and in between them their 5 children are sitting. Now we have to tell what will be the total strength of the row. Position of Vishal, 15, and immediately after Vishal their 5 children are sitting in between Vishal and Sneha, and no other persons are there. It is clearly mentioned in the question. So you can directly add the position of Sneha here, which is 20. So here the total strength of the row will be 40. And now we have to find what is the total of minimum row. So we can solve it in a simple method. Just interchange the position of Vishal and Sneha. So this is 20th position of Sneha, and this is the 15th position of Vishal, and in between them 5 children are there. So totally 15 plus 20, which is equals to 35. So in this 35 their 5 children are also included. So remove their children also. 35 minus 5, which is equals to 30. And we are also including Vishal and Sneha here. So wherever if they ask what is the total of a minimum row, just interchange the position of those two given informations. Here in the question we have to interchange the position of Vishal and Sneha and remove the in between members between them, and also the two persons given data, that is Vishal and Sneha. So subtract 2 from 30, you get 28. So 28, it is the minimum row. Sneha and Hasini, who are 100 and 150 from right and left respectively, they are sitting in a row. So now we have to find what is the maximum number of person can we make to sit between them. So obviously we can make to sit any member of person. So the answer will be maximum number of person we can make to sit in between them is infinity. And now we have to find what will be the minimum number of person we can make to sit between them. So the minimum number of person we can make to sit between them is 1 to 100 minus 2. So that is minimum of one person can sit in between them, and we know this is the least number. So take the least number and minus 2, that is subtract Sneha and Hasini, because we are making to sit the persons in between them. So in excluding them there will be 100 minus 2. Since they are asking for minimum, we take 100. Since 100 is a small number when compared to 150. 1 to 100 minus 2, and the answer will be the minimum number of persons we can make to sit between them is 1 to 98. A and B, who are 40 from left respectively. So this is A and this is B. Both are, A is 40 from left and B is 50 from left. And they are sitting in a row. And how many maximum number of persons can we make to sit between them? This is the question. So the maximum number of persons, 50 minus 40 is equals to 10. minus 1, which is equals to 9. Therefore, this 9, it becomes a maximum or minimum because both are counted from left. So the maximum or minimum number of persons that we can make to sit in between them is 9. So final question. Nani and Moni, who are 20, 30 from left and right, they are sitting in a row and they interchanged their position. Then Nani becomes 50 from left, and what will be the total strength of the row? So given that the position of Nani is 20 from left and the position of Moni, it is 30 from left, they interchanged their position. So now Nani becomes 50th position from left. So what will be the total strength of the row? For this kind of problem, just use a simple trick. So you can see again Nani is counted from left and Moni is counted from right. So if they are in opposite direction, then just add their positions. 30 plus 50, 80. And one person is counted twice here. So subtract 1. Therefore 79. So the total strength of the row will be 79 here. So in the next session, let's learn some other topic with the shortcut tricks which will be helpful for our competitive exams. Thank you.